This dude just got pulled over. Right where we're chilling at, right? I don't know what's going on. He just pulled up the bike.
He's got the sweet Trump on it.
You want to be on here?
Yeah, what up, dude?
Say what up.
Good, dude. Like and subscribe, dude.
That's right. A little bit of content for you guys. Literally just pulled up like 10 seconds ago. Well, right before you saw him leave the car. We just seen him driving around too. Enjoying this beautiful day. He was just writing him a ticket. I think he's letting her go. I don't know.
That's cool. Oh, yeah. Way to be, man.
I don't know though, dude. You think he is? Oh, he is.
What a good fish.
That's cool.
I applaud you.
Right?
Yeah, let's get back.
All right, make sure to subscribe, like, and share, guys. Peace.